Right there. Okay, this project is a real-time 3D visualization system that uses an MPU, okay, accelerometer, to control a 3D cube on the screen, as you can see there. The cube rotates in response to physical movement of the sensor. And this is achieved by using a software called processing, which is used with Arduino to create a visual and interactive link between an Arduino microcontroller and a computer. Okay, so the processing software sketch need to be set with the same COM port as the Arduino IDE. In this case, the Arduino IDE is, I think, is on number 8, if you can see that. So you got to put the COM port on number 8 also on the processing sketch. Also keep in mind you must keep your serial monitor off on the Arduino IDE. Don't put it on, otherwise that would conflict with the processing software sketch. Okay. The processing software use a JavaScript language, while, as you know, the Arduino uses C++, the Arduino IDE. Okay. You can also adjust the sensitivity of the cube. Okay, so it can move faster, more gentle, and can also move, slower, whatever you choose. So the best is to go on the processing sketch, okay, on the processing sketch all the way down to line 38, where say calculate how much the MPU moves. And this is just similar to the other, or actually the same way, using an ESP32C3 with an MPU, and you can move graphic object on the screen. So, and practically has this project has all this type of project will have two sketches. One is the IDE with Arduino, basic information for the sensor. And then there will be the graphic drawn with a JavaScript on the software called processing 4. It's version 4, which is the software that will be managing your graphic. The two are often used together because their development environments are similar and they can communicate via serial connection. The MPU is I2C, so it will have an SDA and an ACL data, which on my ESP32 I've placed it on GPIO 7 and GPIO 6. Okay. Remember to change your COM port on the processing sketch, because the same port will have to be with the Arduino IDE sketch. It have to be the same. Right, I think I've covered everything. I hope that it's understandable. I do have a problem with my voice sometimes, but we'll get in there. In any case, thank you very much. I hope you like it and give me a thumbs up. if you like it. Thank you. Have a good day.